Imagine having a French car that works properly. No, there ain't no such thing. Hi guys, today welcome to the vlog. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Peugeot and about the Lada. What I have been doing these past few days. A quick question. So I need your help about this one. Yeah, the central locking of the car just broke. Yeah, it's yep. I don't know. So it locks itself, but then it unlocks itself. How? And this door, it does not, lock like all the way in. Like if I lock it with the thing, okay, you see. And I guess this door is the problem, because if I do like so and locks this door and locks all four doors, and if I unlock it, this door does not unlock fully, but all four doors unlock. And yeah, I have to unlock this with the key. So yeah, I don't know if it is just a bad relay, or the thing that is inside of here does not work. So I need your help on this one. I don't know what is the problem with the car, with the central locking system. Maybe there's a bad relay. The next problem that I will probably need your help is about the heater fan, heater blower fan, because like if I put it in contact like so, yeah, it does not work. Nothing works. I changed this button right here. Have it. Image key. I changed this thing. That was the original one, the old one. Yeah, and I put that one, but still did not work. I had a fuse blown, so I changed the fuse. But I guess if I had a fuse blown, there's a big chance that the fan, the heater fan, it's blown too, but I don't know where it is. Some say that it is under the dashboard, and some say that it is behind the glove box. Somewhere, I guess, if it is this thing right here, because yeah, this car has AC, and yeah, the AC does not work, but it has AC, so it blows hot and cold. The Peugeot and the Citroën Saxo, they have the same size glove box. Like if you don't have the AC, you have bigger glove box that goes in there. But yeah, you have a sad box, as one of my commenters said. So yeah, I guess I have to just take off all the dash, or I don't know, maybe I will go to a mechanic. On the video that I did a review of this car, of the Peugeot, there were a couple of commenters that said, what about the Lada? And yeah, the Lada is in this shape. Yep, this is the mighty engine of the Lada. It's very nice. Yep. So yeah, what I think that it happened, the head of the car is just kaput. The head of the car, but wait, I'll show you. I have a book with pictures. The Lada had problems with burning oil. Yeah, she was a typical Russian. So the problem occurred when I went through deep water, and maybe some water got into the engine. Well, not maybe, it did. It did. Because the engine stalled, and yeah. Yep. I almost broke the engine. Like that, I almost hydrolocked it. The thing that maybe happened is, as you can see, this is an engine, Lada engine. This is the head. Those are the valves. Those are the valves, the spark plugs, the piston, and the piston rings. Yep. So the thing that I think happened is water entered through here, got to the engine, and instead of hydrolocking it, I think it somehow blew past the piston rings. Yep. So the car lost compression. The car started to burn oil, which is not a great thing to burn. It should have burned gasoline and propane, but yeah, it burnt oil. So yeah, that is the closest thing that I have to explanation on what happened to the Lada's engine. Yeah, it was my fault. The Jeeps were just backing out of there. They don't have to mess with the water, but I was a fucking hero, so I just jump into it, and yep. I don't know. Can the Peugeot handle that much water? I guess we shall see. And yeah, thanks for watching. And comment down below about the problems that I have with the French baguette. If you can help me, I will deeply appreciate it. This is a message to all of you 647 subscribers. Yeah, not 1,000. 647. So yeah, if any of you have any clue about this, uh, yeah, comment down below. And if not, well, not comment yeet. Just comment yeet. Yeah, if to signify me yeeting the car. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you in the next video.